Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Bullseye Blaster, 130,000 RPM, electric air duster. There are features include: Bullseys Air Blaster delivers powerful controlled airflow for electronics, computer components, car interiors, and tight spaces. Provides reusable compressed air performance without pressure fade common in aerosol dusters. Switch between low, medium, and high output depending on delicate electronics or heavier debris. And lightweight ergonomic construction allows easy one-hand use at home, office, garage, or workshop. Focused airflow for crevices or wider output for broader surface cleaning. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.